I'm Frank P. I'm a manufacturing engineering manager for BWI Group here in Dayton, Ohio. We were supporting our processing equipment and we work weekends. I find myself sleeping in the office, trying to catch a nap where I could. And then my wife started sleeping in the other bedroom. And I said, well, why are you doing that? She said, well, you're snoring and I can't get any sleep. I found myself sleeping driving. Well, I ran over a mailbox on our street. I thought it was home. And when I woke up, fortunately, I was just going slow enough that I didn't damage anything but the mailbox. That could have been really bad, so I better go get some help. The CPAP machine had worked well for me in providing me with a better sleep. However, my wife still didn't appreciate the rhythmic pump, and also when the mask did dislodge during the night, she would hear this big whoosh of air. And so I found that she was still sleeping in the other room, even though I wasn't snoring. I had contacted Dayton Dental Sleep Medicine at recommendation of my doctor as an alternative to the CPAP machine, because I had been complaining about how unpractical it was for me to travel. Being a mechanical engineer, I was very impressed with the technology that they had, and then come up with a unique solution that would provide an appliance that would prevent my lower jaw from retracting back and then blocking my air passages. From a technical perspective, I said, no, this makes a lot of sense. It makes more sense to me than trying to pressurize your lungs and try to keep your air passage open with puffs of air. Mechanically, this makes a lot of sense. Let's see if it's going to work. And it did for me. Within a day, I could tell it was working, my wife could tell it was working, and I've had it ever since.